Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your tax ID or your VAT ID number or information in your Upwork account. Now, to do this is going to require some additional steps. I'm going to walk you through. So at the top here, in case you haven't added it, it will show you that you need to add it. At the top of your account will be like a little information here, and especially if you have like a job post that you post already, it's gonna trigger that and gonna ask you to add it. If you're not seeing it, you can still add it. In case you remove it, you can still find it. Simply click your profile on the upper right hand side, go to your account settings from here, and on the left hand side you want to click and, for example, tax information. Now once you click on that, guys, if you haven't have like a strong, let's say, password, it will trigger that. So you want to go ahead and create a new password. In my case, I'm going to quickly create a new password right here. It's going to ask you to confirm the password again, so go ahead and confirm that password here. Then you want to go ahead and choose a question. So in this case, it says, what's my mother's maiden name? I'm going to just choose something right here, just make up something right here, and you scroll down again, and here it says that I understand my account will be locked if I'm unable to to answer the question, and you can say keep me logged in on this device or whatever. It's up to you. Click and save right there. Right, so once you do that, guys, you will now have the option now to add in some additional information here. So it's going to ask you for your country, so you want to select your country from here, and you can now add your address here. So I'm going to just add in something here, for example, and I'm going to choose, for example, something here. I'm going to look for an address that I could use, postal code. I'm going to make up something here as well. Let's try that, for example, and click and save. Right, now from here you will see where it shows up as some address details here, and it will ask you if you want to, and it will show you here right here that you need to add your tax ID. So you can quickly add that. You can say if you have one or not. So in this case, as I'm showing you how to add it, so you want to click I have, and then you want to enter your tax ID that looks like this. So in my case, I'm gonna enter mine. You want to remove the zero, the CZ from it so that it's valid, so something like that, and you go ahead and check this box, then click and save, and that's it. It's going to quickly validate that tax ID for you guys, and then once everything is done or valid, it's going to go ahead and add it for you, as you can see. And that's really it, guys. That's how you basically add your tax ID on your Upwork account.